I've got nothing to do. I've got no props.
It's for you.
Seeing me. I'll be quiet then.
Oh, where are we?
Pizza.
A Pizza Hut. Kentucky Fried Chicken and a Pizza Hut. McDonald's, McDonald's. And Lindsay's going upside down.
There's the roof. No, that's the floor.
Yes, you're on the roof, Lindsay.
I'm on the roof.
Whoa! Yeah? You're upside down. Whee! And back up.
That's a rush of blood to the head.
Do you feel a little bit dizzy now?
Oh, yeah.
And what we
That
waiting
is the infamous table that we all sit at on Emma on Nicola's birthday. I hope Nicola's watching this insight to what's going to be happening in a few days. Oh God, help them all. Please.
Oh. And what we waiting for?
A big cookie.
A big cookie.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Share. Looks like that big.
Wow.
Well, not really that big, about that big. Maybe my niece.
Who likes cookies?
Pardon?
Who likes cookies?
Amy does.
Because Amy's the cookie monster.
I hate the cookie monster.
I love the cookie
Give me
monster.
nightmares every time. You better discard me.
Wait till you see the metal version
I
of
don't
him.
want to.
I'm going to show you.
It's just instead of my dream of the Wicked Witch of the West on TV.
No, but we're not.
Wicked in September.
But we're not going to tell this to anyone, are we, Lindsay?
Oh no, not just the whole world. The whole internet population.
Yeah. You hear that, world? It's a secret. Shh.
Now everyone knows the secret.
Lindsay's scared of the Cookie Monster and the Wicked Witch of the wherever. Yeah.
I'll be hiding in Wicked. Like, I can't watch all the way through the entire show. I can't watch this film anymore. Or the introduction.
Aww.
They are scary.
Well, then again, we're kind of like that advert, aren't we? With the Wicked Witch of the West in it, with the ad.
The Wicked Witch of the West.
Yeah, because we always go to the cinema every Wednesday.
With Orange Wednesday.
Yeah.
She likes that. She feels like the romantic comedy.
I like the horrors.
Oh yeah, and me too.
What did we go see? What was it, on Wednesday?
Go to Girlfriend's Pass.
Oh, that was funny, wasn't it?
What?
Yeah, this has gone on for about 3 minutes now.
Oh, that absolutely nothing.
Yeah, so whoever's
Idiot, I know.
whoever's watching this, we've just wasted 3 minutes of your life now.
Yeah.
Aren't you proud of us?
Ow! Got the vibrations of the cable.
Oh, will that excite you?
Washing machines do. I don't know what vibrates. Lightweight. The countertop.
Oh my god.
And we'll end it there.
Yeah, we're not going to tell anybody any of this, are we?
Oh no, not the whole entire YouTube population.
No. Lindsay gets turned on by washing machine.
My mum's not watching this. She watches YouTube, and so does my dad. Oh no. Oh crap. I'm sorry, Mother and Father, for whatever I've said or done.
Hi, Lindsay's mum and dad.
Oh no. Oh no.
What?
I don't know.
Alright, I think we should end this now. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Another day.
Bye.